SHT-14 Video Manual. First setup. To start the first setup, you must pair the time switch with the configuration device and open the web interface. You will learn how to do this in the previous video manual, Connection of Configuration Device, linked in the upper right corner of this video. Once you've followed all the steps, the initial configuration screen will appear. Select the desired language and click the right arrow. You will see the firmware version and the option to restore the settings from a backup. Now you will be prompted to select an operation mode. A description of the operation modes and their behavior is part of the first setup. Use the drop-down menu to select the one you want to use and continue by pressing the next button. If you did not select one of s.r.o's operation modes in the previous step, its setting will be skipped. Otherwise, please proceed according to the instructions of the setup wizard and select the desired settings of the astronomical program, such as s.r.o mode, days of the week, output behavior, offset or s.r.o interrupt if you want to use them. Finally, enter your location and continue by pressing the next button. Setting the date and time is the last step in case you decide not to synchronize the time using an NTP server. If you want to synchronize the time, check this option in the settings, or continue with the next steps. Time synchronization requires a connection of the time switch to the local network and access to the internet. Depending on whether you check the option for time synchronization, click Next or Finish button. You do not need to enter the NTP server address in the first field, only if you want to use a different one than we recommend. As in the previous steps, a setup wizard will guide you through each item. You can verify the correct configuration of this setting by clicking the button Synchronize Time with NTP, where you can see its progress if the setting is correct. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click on Finish. Using the menu on the left, you can further customize your device, add time programs, adjust other settings and more.